these ornaments are ones that I used last year that I bought from Walmart. I did see some similar ones on their website, so I will go ahead and link those in the description area for you. I wanted to reuse them again this year, but just give them a little makeover so that they match the aesthetic of my Christmas tree for this year. I started off by removing all of the extra pieces that I was not going to be using. I only wanted to be left with just the wooden beads. And now with the bells, I did not want to use the little string that it came with, so I just went ahead and cut those off to get them ready to spray paint. I first started off by spray painting them very lightly with a black spray paint, and then I went over them with the gold. But honestly, you can skip the black because overall I just went a little bit more heavier on the gold, and that was the color that I was looking for. As those were drying, I went ahead and moved on to the beads, and I'm just using a stain in the color Special Walnut, using this little spongy brush. I first tried it with a kind of more like a paintbrush, but I wasn't getting far very fast, so I moved along to this brush, worked a whole lot better. Just making sure that you get in between all of the beads as well. I put them together with some ribbon, but just as a reminder, this is what they look like before. And here's what they look like after. And now for ornament number 2, I did get these last year at Walmart, but they do have the same ones just in a different color, and I just wanted to show you them here. Same price, just different color, so you can still do the same exact thing that I'm about to show you. I first started off by removing this little string that it came with, just getting them ready to take outside to spray paint with this kind of light brown beige color. I will go ahead and put that color in the description area for you. Here's what they look like now that they are completely dry. I'm going to go ahead and change the string with this other string here that I'm showing you that I also picked up from Walmart, just to change the color a little bit. It does make me happy that I'm able to use some of the same ornaments that I used last year, just by simply giving them a little quick, not too difficult of a makeover. Just showing you, what some spray paint can do. It can really change an ornament. So hopefully this video does inspire you to either use some of your ornaments that you already have, or checking out what Walmart has because they are pretty inexpensive, and then just seeing how you're able to recreate them or make them over into something that matches for your home. For ornament number 3 are these beautiful gold star ornaments that were only $1.98 each. They're already beautiful on its own, nothing really I had to do, but the gold color was just a little too yellow for me. So I wanted to go ahead and spray them with the same gold color that I've been using, and then just change out the string that it came with. Once the first side was dry, I went ahead and flipped the star over and spray painted the back. Here I'm just showing you what it looks like side by side. It's just a very subtle difference from the original color to how I spray painted it. And then I'm just restringing it with the same string that I used for my snowman. Moving on to the last ornament are these bells that I picked up from Walmart. And now, as you can see, it did come with two, so I thought it was a really great price, and that I can just cut off the really thick rope, jute rope that it came with. And what I did was I used the same string from the previous ornament, which was that star. I just used that one on this bell ornament because I did like the color combination on this one better. And that was it for this ornament. As you can see, I got two beautiful ornaments out of one, basically. And here is what they look like before. You can see the chunkiness of the jute rope versus how I did them. And here's what they all look like all completed. I can't wait to put this all together on our Christmas tree. Hopefully you guys will stick around for that near future video to see how that looks. And I really do hope that you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed making it.